Hi guys and welcome back to a new episode of Test Realm. I'm Today I'll show what stupid things did on it on this Test Realm. From my probability, I think on it will delete Test Realm soon because he did some stupid things, so he wanted to nah. You know, guys. Firstly, there's this purple potion bee that looks weird because he has a face with purple potion. Sometimes he roll, and on top he has an image with on it. Um, his first quest is that, but he says if you talk to him, come back when you've collected pollen from cover field. Also that platform don't have collapse, so nah. Also on it added some weird codes like test madness that gives a lot insanely lot of stuff and boost. Uh, wax that gives 1 billion honey here. And the code uh, jelly overloaded. Overload, I wanted to say. It's hard to uh, so also there's also weird things like a secret field that is just right there. After that, go to right. In the void. There was a draw, but now is a giant on it, without head, and on it field. Uh, okay. I'll just show how OP are these mythic beasts that are here. What I have, and the on it field because it's only with star flowers, and that's really good. Um, Also the code Test Madness gave me a lot of jelly beans. I used some of these, but some I have right now. I'll do some farming here before I should go to see the water secrets that added on it. I don't know if right on its will add this field in the real game. You guys need to know that field if it will be added. Stay tuned and I show if yes in the next update. Um, Also on it did make a nice thumbnail with a gummy bear. Um, and the gummy bee. Unfortunately, you need to reset when you have bag full if you don't have micro converters, so that field is pretty unless. Um, Also, the smartness gives chi um, so many gum drops, so you can get gummy bee and have many gumdrops too, and that's pretty nice. Wait, wait, what? What? I didn't say um, show that. Um, Guys, give a like if you want me to do that, and I'll do this now. Uh, it is don't it is not a good idea, but yes, yes. Okay, this is a troll, sure. Or not. This is a shit. As I wanted really to you guys to see the thumbnail. This is it. Uh, and I still will got pro because I can still redeem the codes that I wanted to show to you guys. First, I put some eggs and fuzzy bee jelly. So now I show the boy with my honey some eggs to go in the mountain. I think is that really how I need. It will take some minutes. You can guys Skype if do you want. I hate my life. That's pretty uh, boring to put so many basic eggs. But in next minute, I show the extreme code that will change my life. Oh, Bravey. New less. I'll put also the fuzzy BJDs. I don't ever need them. You'll see why. Now I put the code test mod. And look how OP is that. Is really good. Also I got many boost. Oh me there is too many cloud wheels. Um Now jelly. That's the code what I like. Um, um, oh, look, this is too OP. You can't doesn't like this. I'll put until medic and until gifted. And I'll still go them. Look. This is too OP, you didn't have what to say about that. Another gifted vector B. If I make all my hive gifted vector B. What? Wait, what? So, basic bees are making only gifted vector B? Lol, that's really... okay. My idea is dead. Another gifted vector B. I got a dud. I'll kill myself. I want spicy bee. Bruh. I used it almost my royal jellies already. But that deserves because this are too OP. Okay, now my hive is full of mythics and events. I'll get that and that. Let's test our bees. I let the bees make all the work. Wait. I have bees must festive blessing. I have only instant conversion. I've been trolled, guys. My bullying. Fuzzy bee upgrades the flowers, so also Dandelion field should be good too. My movement speed is like a snail. Yeah. Finally. Now I'll go to get another things because I'm dead. Um, this will take a lot of time. Also in Test Realm is nice. You get all game passes from first time. I should buy I want to buy Crimson and Cobalt. I like Potion too, and Puppy. Okay, that was all my tickets. Opportunity. Or not? What? Okay, I like this. Tabby or da. Eh, eh, that. I also, when I have the bees I need, I can go to Gummy Bee to make it. Now I'll put the event bees. I'll get 25. I'll get all the bees I need to go to the top mountain, and that's good. Now I want to go to the shop to get some better gear because I'm pretty looking noob. Look, my bag is full already, only from the bees. Lol. and I have more capacity than usual. I can't make them because I think I go to get um, one more egg, and then I go to top mountain to get glider. I don't want parachute. It's useless. Also, extreme undying rage. Oh ma, it's really OP because you can kill bosses really fast. But my beasts are uh, having bad levels, so they aren't hitting the boss. So I should make them better. And after, I have no quest. I'm a noob. Now I get more. Yeah, I think one is. No, I need one more. That's all. Okay. I need boots. So now I'll get some gifted Fuzzy. How many royal chilies did you said? No, that's pretty too much. Many! How many? Twa. I'ma go to dud. I can't use red cannon. I got to climb all the mountain. I hate my life. That's bad. Really bad. Uh, I don't know if it was a good idea to reset myself. Also, my is are already level 3. Um, now another this test. Wait, I forgotten it. I'll go to see in the group. Extreme test. Eh, that's pretty good. I'll go to farm to the top mountain because it's pretty OP. I want to see how many things do give the werewolf. Wait, only that, but the spider gave me too much things. Too many triangulates. Lol. It's OP to have vector bees. I look like a noob with all I've made by gifted mythics and events. I want to see how fast I do make my bug dead. Ah, that's not bad. Oh, look. I'll upgrade the field. Also fuzzy bee also are OP because they can make quest quest when you need to get pollen from a battlefield. You can make it better. Wait, look, I already got star uh, that's a no. I should buy the parachute first. I can't buy porcelain dispenser. But I'll buy more hive slots. Um, and I use this to buy the golden rake. And after that I'll end the video because I'm getting bored. But first I'll make a gummy bee. Like and subscribe for this gummy bee. Please like and subscribe because this you can guys support me, and I should say your name in the next video. I need to go this way because I'm too noob. I can't go. I can jump to get shortcut. I like the music from the gummy bee. Also, firstly, I want to show to you guys if you make a gummy bee, it will sound something weird, like the passive from the gummy mask. Eh, that ended. I'll put the gummy bee egg, and that's all. Goodbye, guys, and see you in the next episode.